back to a new YouTube lesson, guys. Welcome back to a 2023 YouTube lesson. So, guys, we definitely gonna up our game a little bit on YouTube. Guys, we're gonna bring back lessons, guys. All right. So today's lesson, guys, is gonna be very. I'm not gonna waste your time, guys. I'm not gonna go too deep into it. Today we have 7 basic mistakes to avoid in day trading. Now, what this means is, guys, there's a lot of mistakes. Remember, don't get it twisted. There's a lot of mistakes, but these are the ones that really stick out for us. So obviously, guys, there's a lot more lessons gonna come on these type of things to avoid, guys, and also more content as well as strategies dropping soon. So, guys, from 2024, we are fully gonna be on YouTube, guys. So we're gonna give our lessons through YouTube as well. So stuff that we learned this year, guys, we bunch it up, we go and summarize it and actually bring it to you guys to YouTube. So, guys, welcome back to a new YouTube video. Let's dive into it. Coming at number one is literally the best thing of them all, and that is unrealistic expectations. Now, guys, there's a lot of things. We just summarized it quickly just to show you guys what we mean. So I will be explaining all of these in a moment. So, guys, I'm not going to keep you too long. Guys, this is really stuff that you need to realize before you come into the Forex game. So, unrealistic expectation. What is unrealistic expectations? The first thing you come into Forex is when you see all of these things and day trading, when you see all of these things, you see how much money can I make out of this? How much money am I going to make? You already planning your future. So that is basically unrealistic expectations. Guys, remember when you start out in Forex, you start small, you start building up, right? Signals can make you rich. Now, this is one of the big things in Forex or day trading that we get these days. So people literally just want signals. By going into the market blindly, that can also damage your account. So people like to think they're going to double their money within a short period of time. Now, once you trade like that, obviously we know what's going to happen because there's a little bit more to it than just entering trades and doing this and analyzing the market. So you need to explain to yourself basically that if I deposit $100, I'm not going to just make $200 in one go. So, guys, you need to be realistic about it. So in a certain amount of time, I want to be profitable. Now, that's one big thing. Now, people think they can get profitable very quickly, and that is the problem we have these days in Forex or day trading. So, guys, it really takes a lot of time to actually grasp the skill. Remember, it does differ from person to person, but obviously, it's going to take you some time to actually get this knowledge. So, trading is easy. I can study the markets quick. Now, that's the same thing basically as becoming profitable in a certain amount of time. Guys, give it time, right? Give it some space. Learn the thing, learn the skill, learn the risk management, learn all of the technical analysis, learn fundamental. Guys, there's a list. So it's not going to be a quick journey. That is a part of unrealistic expectation. Try and get as much information as possible. Invest in your knowledge before you even go to the markets, right? And right, that is let's dive into the next one. Mistake two, risk management. Now, guys, this is just small. This is only three things that I wrote down. But guys, there's a lot more to risk management than only just these things. Now, risk management over risking on your account. Guys, now what does this mean? Over risking on your account. Guys, if you have an account, this is not financial advice, right? Remember, guys, we're not financial advisors. We're just sharing with you mistakes that we we did when we started out. Over risking your account, guys, is literally when you're risking a lot more than you should risk, right? So I'm not going to give you guys a lot of detail on what you should risk. I'm not a financial advisor. But guys, I'm giving you guys over risking on your account can be deadly, right? It can be deadly because obviously when you have I'm just making an example, $100 account, guys, risking $50 of that account, I think it's just common sense that when you lose that trade, you lose half of your balance. So using high leverage, especially when you're new into trading, When you're new into trading, guys, there is a stigma going around that if you use high leverage, you can make a lot more money. But obviously, with the pro, there's always a con. So if you lose money, you can lose a lot of money. So using high leverage, guys, is something that's very, very deadly, especially when you're new to trading. All right. So high leverage is obviously your 1 to 200 risk reward. You want to 200 leverage, you want to 100. Now, high leverage is considered you want 1,000. Anything under 1 to 200 for me, it's fine. All right. But going up to that 1 to 500, that's a lot of leverage you're putting on yourself. Don't have a fixed risk model in trading plan. So what this basically means, guys, is you don't have fixed risk. So you don't know what you're risking every single trade. Now, that is very, very important. Now, if you're going into the trading industry or the day trading model, as we call it, guys, you need to have fixed risk, right? Meaning, if I have a risk plan in my trading plan, a risk model, meaning in sense, I only risk this per trade, right? Not per day, per trade. So meaning those also count. So if I'm risking 2% a day, guys, you cannot risk 2% for 6 trades, guys. It's 12%. Does it make sense? So that's basically how you can have a fixed risk model. I'm risking 1% a day. I'm just making examples. So that's basically risk management. The mistake 3, guys, is fundamental analysis, not worrying about news, not analyzing economic data, looking for big news trades. Now, in recent times, we've really seen that the market is getting popular about news trading. Now, right? Fundamental analysis is key to working with your technical analysis. So people don't understand that fundamental analysis can mess with your technical analysis, right? You need to line the two up and actually get the best possible probability. Now, not worrying about news, meaning you're not checking your news regularly, you're not checking your news every single morning when you get up, you're not analyzing economic data that happen. So, guys, obviously, economic data has a big role in that specific pair's economy. So, that is the stuff you need to know. So looking for big news trade, this is becoming very popular, especially in South Africa, from where we from, that this is getting very popular. Now people are trading news. They're basically trading the NFP, the FOMC, and they're also trading interest rates and CPI news events. Now this is one mistake that I literally wish I knew before I started out trading. Because guys, remember when I also started out trading, I was looking for these events. I was trading these events. And most of the times, obviously, as you know, I lost. So do your research on economic data. That's very important because that's going to give you an overview of where the pair is wanting to go. The next one is social media lifestyle. Now, guys, this is one big mistake that people really get into a lot is the lifestyle, right? Day trading lifestyle is not what people portray it is. Day trading lifestyle is literally you working from home. So that's the only difference. You have no limits to making money, especially when you use the model that we teach in our mentorship and also our programs that you can make a bigger income using that strategic plans we have. So social media lifestyle, what is that? Wanting that G-Wagon. I, I gave it there because I know in South Africa, this is the things that attract people to day trading. Wanting to spend money on fancy houses, clothes, etc. Guys, and the list goes on. Now, social media will paint you this brilliant picture of trading, but that is absolutely not true. Being a trader requires a lot of discipline. It requires actually sticking to a plan and waking up doing the same thing every single day. Now, that requires a lot of discipline. People don't give you the bad stuff of Forex, they only give you the good stuff. So, guys, we are here to basically give you guys a little bit of lessons on what trading really is. So the next one is strategy hopping. Now, mistake 5 is strategy hopping. Strategy hopping is one of the biggest concerns I saw in beginner traders, especially moving from strategies after 1 or 2 losses. Now, that's the thing we need to understand in the trading market, that there is losses involved. Obviously, you're going to lose trades here and there. So that is all right. losses comes with trading. You just need to manage your risk. So you cannot control the outcome. That's why we work on probabilities, but you can control your risk. Trying new things the whole time. So once you have a strategy, you're trying to do this, you're trying to do that with the strategy, always looking for change. Now, that is a common problem that we get in day trading, especially with beginners, people trying new things the whole time, looking for the holy grail strategy. Now, there is a lot of speculation around this. A lot of people saying this strategy is the best, this is the best, that is the best. Guys, there is no holy grail, right? Every strategy works, it just requires a lot of discipline, patience, and also risk management. Now, that's basically how a strategy can work for you. Guys, there's a lot of strategies out there. Um, most of them does work, guys. That's just my opinion. Most of them do work, but you need to have the required knowledge around the strategy for it to be working consistently. What works for you guys? Stick with it and try and improve that. That is basically the whole summary of mistake five strategy hopping. The next one, we're moving on to not journaling. Guys, this is one of the biggest things that people do not do. Guys, I am not joking with you guys. It might sound simple, these mistakes, guys, but these are the things that actually keep you from profiting, not backtesting your trades or your strategy. Guys, now what backtesting means is not looking at previous data and seeing how your trade performs with a fixed, let's say 10 or 50 trades, 100 trades, seeing what the percentage is of your trading strategy if you apply it with previous data. So you can get the understanding and also the knowledge of your trading strategy and actually know how it works. Not keeping track of losing and winning trades. Now, guys, this is one of the most biggest things that I see out there is people not keeping track. Why did I lose and why did I win? Guys, this is one of the biggest mistakes that you get, not journaling. And the last mistake we get is social media noise. Now, what is social media noise, guys? There is a lot of people confusing you guys on social media. Now, once you step into day trading, guys, you will get something that you will see a different page. You will see that social media page, that page, follow one and stick to the methods, learn from the teachings, and also get that education out of that channel. But now there's a lot of social media gurus, as I call it, that obviously gives you this information and it doesn't correlate with the information you have. So obviously it confuses you. When you follow someone, stick to their methods and focus on one thing at a time. Now, this is true, guys. If you're starting out in the Forex journey or day trading journey, education should be your one thing. The first thing on every list. There's a lot of YouTube content out there that can actually help you guys a lot. There is free methods you can use, guys. There's babypips.com. You can get free courses from institutions like myself. I did give away September month my courses absolutely for free. So, guys, we are here to actually help and guide you guys. This will help you to fully understand and grasp the knowledge. Now, that is the perfect example of it. So, guys, may you have a blessed one. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please smash the like and subscribe button. Also turn on the bell notification so you can also receive these videos when it uploads. Guys, you will be the first one to know. Guys, drop down a comment if you like this or you hated this. It doesn't matter. Just drop a comment down below. If you guys want more of these lessons, guys, please drop a comment down below. We will definitely be sharing weekly basis these setups and all of these lessons. Guys, we love you, our YouTube family. Please subscribe. Catch you on to the next one, guys. Have a wonderful one. Cheers.